Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to expand an image in Wix. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can just simply click on my link down below in order to proceed. And now guys, as you can see, we have an image over here or a picture. So from here, just simply click on it. So guys, from here, as you can see, you should be able to see here the circle icon over here when you select the picture, and you'll be able to crop it over here. And now when you click on this, you will be able to set it as a background, and you can also go ahead and click on the settings over here, guys. And from here, you'll be able to reset the image proportions. And another thing, guys, is you can simply crop it over here, as you can see. And from here, you'll be able to reduce its size. So guys, pretty much this will be depending on you. And after that, you should be able to see here, reset shape proportion, horizontal, flip or vertically, and make sure to apply. And from here, you can zoom it in and zoom it out. So once you are done, just click on apply. And after that, you should be able to expand your image. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.